How to enable or disable decrease brightness by 10% for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. So scroll down. And then from here, we tap on battery. Next, tap on power saving on the left hand side. And then we go to the display section and tap on decrease brightness by 10%. So these settings only applied when you are using power saving. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off decrease brightness by 10%. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.